1,300 years ago, a Maya king, MINH Akal Mo Nab, built a royal temple at the site now known as Palenque. As part of the dedication ceremony, sacred writing blessed the king's inauguration with tales of gods and mythical ancestors. 800 years later, with the Spanish invasion of the New World, all knowledge of the hieroglyphs was lost. Just in the last 50 years, scholars, known as epigraphers, have broken the code and rediscovered how to read the glyphs. But what about the living Maya, descendants of the great civilization that once built pyramids and temples across the landscape? In the 1980s, the great Linda Shealy pioneered efforts to bring the glyphs back to the Maya people. However, with Linda's passing, these efforts lagged. Now, in the last 5 years, our organization, MAM, M-A-M, has taken up the cause, bringing workshops to the Mayas in their own home countries. In Antigua, Guatemala, in 2010, 70 Mayas traveled from all across the land, riding buses all night, going without sleep, to attend this landmark event, an international glyph workshop for Mayas, sponsored by MAM. In 2012, we put together the first Congress of Maya Epigraphers in Valladolid, Yucatan. The Maya dream of regaining their own history, their own language, the writing and the calendar of their own ancestors is fast becoming true. The Mayas themselves are becoming the teachers. Mayas teaching Mayas, creating a new generation who read the words that their ancestors wrote in their own language. In May 2014, 90 Mayas from Mexico, Guatemala, and Belize will gather in Ocosingo, Chiapas for another International Congress of Maya Epigraphers, for a week of workshops, lectures, and special events taught by Mayas for Mayas. We need your help to make this event happen. Meals and lodging, bus tickets, charter buses, vans, teaching materials. Help us be a part of this event. Help the Maya build a future that includes their own past, a past that includes their own written language. Thank you very much.